For many people, the health risks posed by indoor air quality can often be significantly higher than outdoor air. Animal dander, pollen, mold, dust mites, and fumes released by cooking, burning fuel, or cleaning products can all negatively impact on your indoor air. If you live in an area with outdoor air pollution, it can enter your indoor environment. One way you can improve your indoor air quality is with a certified asthma and allergy-friendly air cleaner. The Asthma and Allergy-Friendly Certification Program helps people make informed purchases for a healthier home. We test household products such as air cleaners against strict standards. If products pass our tests, they earn the Asthma and Allergy-Friendly mark. Here are some things to keep in mind when shopping for an air cleaner. Air and room capacity. Before selecting an air cleaner, consider the size of the room so the air cleaner you select is powerful enough. An air cleaner's clean air delivery rate, or CADR, is the performance metric to indicate the effectiveness of an air cleaner. If you purchase an air cleaner with a CADR rating too low for the size of your room, it will be ineffective. Filtration. Air cleaners or air purifiers are designed to remove small airborne particles and sometimes odor from the air we breathe. Filters are rated by a minimum efficiency reporting value, or MERV. This is based on the size of the particles that they will remove. HEPA filters are normally rated MERV 13. Over time, filters need to be replaced as they become clogged. The efficacy of a filter is dependent upon the integrity of the seals. Depending on how effective a filter is, it may be described as HEPA, H-E-P-A, or High Energy Particulate Air Filter. Purification. Be aware that the purification function may produce byproducts such as ozone gas or positive ions, which may themselves be harmful. Certified asthma and allergy-friendly air cleaners are tested to ensure that they do not produce harmful levels of ozone or positive ions. Look for this certification so you can feel confident your air cleaner has been tested and certified as asthma and allergy-friendly.